Hello class, my name is Danielle Lee and I'm going to be doing a presentation on a coral reef protection plan. The outline, I will be going over the topic, the location, the background of the location, the wildlife and ecosystem, some policy concerns, and I will have my reference page and then a question slide at the end. In order to protect the coral reefs, there needs to be more community outreach with education, and this is just making sure that the public understands about the proper sunscreen to wear, about not touching or taking any of the coral reef. Another one is to limit the number of people a day, and this is to just help with the human traffic on the beaches and visiting those coral reefs as well. Or in some cases just to close down popular beaches. These would be the beaches where we see the most bleaching, coral reef damage, or just overall most of the coral reef is just dying. So I'm going to be looking at Kapalua Bay, Kaanapali Beach, and Honolulu Bay, all in Maui, Hawaii. A little bit of Maui's background is it was an island actually formed by two active volcanoes. The west side was prehistoric, the east side was last active in 1790, and fun fact, tourism actually began around 1860. So part of the coral reef ecosystem, it is about only 1% of the ocean floor, but it does actually home about 25% of the life in the ocean. And due to this, it's kind of known as, the rainforest of the ocean, just because of the amount of species and how diverse that the ecosystem actually is. You can find many different species of corals, fish, crustaceans, phytoplanktons, like all sorts of stuff just in the coral reef ecosystem. Some of the policy concerns would be, how is the state actually going to be able to regulate the amount of people going onto the beach every day, or making sure if the beaches are closed that no one is, sneaking on. Another concern will actually be financial concerns, and this could be anywhere from closing down beaches, how is that going to affect tourism, and tourism brings in revenue. Or, some people are going to need to be patrolling the beaches if we're limiting the number or not allowing people, and where is that money to hire people going to come from? So a few economic concerns along with this. And this is my reference slide. And then, are there any questions?